Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd. Let's get a little political today without getting political. So there are some presidential hopefuls that want to eliminate student loan debt. They just want to snap their fingers and the $1.6 trillion in student loan debt be forgiven. Not like bankruptcy where you have to qualify and show that there's a reason you can't afford your debt and then they remove it. No, they just forgive these poor kids that didn't know what they were getting into, and now they've got a ton of debt. I mean, look, when I was 18, 19 years old, I made a choice to join the U.S. Army Reserve to get benefits to help pay for my college, so I could live on my own and pay for my college. I knew what student loans are. You got to pay them back, but either way, maybe if we made different restrictions on student loans, right? Different roadblocks, I don't know. How about education? When you're getting a mortgage, when you're getting a reverse mortgage, you have to do counseling. You have to go through this phone call of talking about your finances, and they educate you on the ins and outs. You ask questions, you go back and forth. Imagine if they did that with student loans and they said, do you know that if you take this next $20,000 on top of your other $100,000, your payment is going to be X amount. And when you're making X amount, it's going to take you this many years and you're never going to get out of debt. Are you sure you need this degree? Or why don't you look into a trade school? Why don't you look into something else? I don't know. Forgiving the student loan? Why? Why are you going to take my taxpayer money that can go to something else and forgive their stuff? Why don't you just forgive my mortgage? I shouldn't be paying a mortgage, right? Why not education, counseling, especially as you increase in your volume or your loan amount in your student loan? Classes on the difference between subsidized and unsubsidized. Make that $100 counseling come out of their student loan. I don't know, but not forgiving it, not giving it away. People need to understand the repercussions of things, not just have it given away. We've learned a lot of that in the mortgage industry. And hopefully that can be my political stance here on this. I'm not idealistic. I don't feel that we should just give everything away. I think we all need to earn it. I earned my way, and everyone else needs to do the same. So either way, that's my take on student loans, and thanks for nerding out with me. Bye.